Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge. What year did the first season of Love Island UK premiere? (2015). Which island is primarily used for the filming of Love Island UK? Majorca. Who was the first winner of Love Island UK? Jess Hayes and Max Morley. What is the primary format of the show? Dating reality show. Name one of the host presenters of Love Island UK. Caroline Flack. Thanks for playing, see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.